All right, so today's lesson is really just about practicing how to find perimeter, but also understanding that different shapes, I've got this purple one over here and this orange one right here, even though they look different, they could have the same perimeter. So I'm going to show that to you now, reminding you how to find perimeter, and then I'll just let you go get started in Google Doc. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to find the perimeter of this purple shape here. And remember, perimeter is just counting all of the outside. We're adding it all up. When we have blocks like this, remember, it's not telling us inches or feet or centimeters. We're just going to count up the spaces. Each of these is a block. And this side right here, from this line to this line, is 1 unit. This little piece right here is 1 unit. So I'm just going to start counting them up. 1, and I'm marking them so I don't forget. I have been known to forget, and then I end up with the wrong answer, and then it trips me up. So I like to keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget this one. 9, 10, 11, 12. So this has 12 units for my perimeter. Okay, remember we just call these units. We don't know if they're centimeters, feet, whatever it is, just units. Now my job is to come over here and to figure out if this has the same perimeter. That's the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Back to where I started. This one has 12 units as well. So even though this one is a huge block shape, and this one looks really silly, maybe kind of like Ferb. Is it Ferb from Phineas and Ferb, who has the big block nose? That's what it kind of reminds me of. But even though these two shapes are very different, they're both still 12 units. So even though we have shapes that look different, they could have the same perimeter. On your Google Doc, your job is to figure out the perimeters of those shapes and match up the shapes that have the same perimeter. Have fun!